I know you're worried about Instagram engagement, but what if I told you that there's an easy way to double, triple, or even sometimes 10x the amount of comments you get on your content? Now, what if I told you that that same strategy will also help you sell a lot more from Instagram? Here's the strategy I'm talking about. What you're going to do is you're going to create your pieces of content, and instead of telling people to go to the link in bio for something, you're going to tell them, comment with this keyword. You can come up with your keyword, and I'm going to send you the link via DMs. First of all, people are more likely to put a quick comment in your content than do several clicks to get out of your reel or your post and go to your bio and click your link in bio. And there might be another click to get to your link. Another benefit of this, the links are waiting for them in their DMs, even if they get distracted and continue scrolling. By the time they get your DMs, you are talking to them via DMs. And they're much more likely to answer your questions about what you sell or your freebie even than they would if they're just going to the link in bio by themselves. And the tool I recommend for this is a Meta Instagram approved tool called ManyChat. ManyChat will do lots of automations for your business, but if you're just starting out, I recommend you just start with the basic, try it out for a little while, and then you can start learning more and create more automations. But the gist is that you're going to go to ManyChat and you're going to create an automation that every time someone responds or comments or sends you a DM or even comments on an Instagram live with a keyword that you're going to select, they get an automated message from you with a link they can click on. And many of you may be saying, oh, but I don't like automated stuff. I want people to be able to talk to me. If you know me and if you ever talk to me on socials, I'm always there. I'm always going to respond. I'm always talking to people. But that's taking the delivery of links out of the way. That is just be me copying and pasting something anyways. I much rather deliver it to them automatically right when they ask for it, which is the time they're most interested. You know, you're not going to wait 2 days later when they're like, oh yeah, I thought about it and I'm not interested anymore. So the timing is great, but also they are getting that from me immediately with the right link. I'm already thoughtfully wrote that message. And then next time they respond, I'm there to respond back. So they're not like going to a void where they're just going to talk to AI forever. ManyChat's free to use, but there's a pro version, which I recommend. It's a little better. Right now, this may be subject to change. It's around $15 per account. And you can have more options in your automations and how those links and the timing it's delivered. But you don't need to use ManyChat to take advantage of this strategy. If you don't want to, sign up for another platform, learn another platform, you can start testing this manually. What you're going to do is you're going to do the same call to action on your content saying, comment this emoji or comment this word, and I'll send you the link. And what you're going to do is when you get those comments and you're able to respond to those comments, you're going to send them the link and a little message via DMs. You're not going to be immediately sending that link because you're not going to be on Instagram 24/7. I really hope not. But it's still a lot better than them having to go to link in bio. Even if there's a little delay, you're still going to see benefits from it. So I'd love to see you try and how that affects your comment section.